Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add trusted sites here on Firefox. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Now there's two ways of doing this. The first way you can do is by finding the website. So let's go to ITV News, for example. We'll click on this web page, and once this has loaded up, go to the very top. You see the shield. Click on this, and then from here, go down to Protection Settings. Once you've clicked on this, this will bring you to the Privacy and Security tab, and from here you can of course manage the exceptions if you'd like enhanced tracking, and of course scrolling further down to Permissions, you can also under Block Pop-up Windows add this website as an exception. Of course the other way of doing so is of course going to the top right, clicking on the three lines, going down to Settings, and just going straight to Privacy and Security. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.